Simplification of Boolean expressions by using K-map. Let us see how to simplify Boolean expressions using K-map. For that, let me draw a K-map for 4 variables. Cell numbers. Whenever you are given a Boolean expression, we have to enter SOP of that Boolean expression. Actually, we need to enter fundamental products of the SOP on respective cells. This is corresponding to fundamental product A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. This is corresponding to fundamental product A bar, B bar, C bar, D. This is corresponding to fundamental product A bar, B bar, C, D. This is corresponding to fundamental product A bar, B bar, C, D bar, and so on. Let us suppose you are given a table here. I am doubtful whether you can see the conditions below. Let me go up. Let me write here fundamental. Let me first write here output, okay, and then here fundamental product. This is suitable for 4 variable. Before going to use the output, I have not written any output. Let me first tell you what is meaning of pair, what is meaning of quad, what is meaning of octet, and what is use of this pair, quad and octet. How to simplify the given Boolean expression using pairs, quads and octets. The video is on. Yes, it is on. Let us suppose that the ones in the output are entered on the cell. Let us suppose at only 4 places of the input conditions we have output 1 1 1, which is inserted here, 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 here. It is corresponding to A bar, B bar, C bar, D. It is corresponding to A bar, B bar, D, C, D bar. It is corresponding to A, B, C bar, D. It is corresponding to A, B bar, C bar, D bar. This one, there is a gap of 1 cell, not adjacent to each other. This one, these are in the adjacent cells. These two can be grouped together and it can be called as a pair. This is a single one, this is a single one. We cannot form pair of these because there is gap of one cell. Why to consider pair? Whenever we make pair of ones on the Carnot map, it deletes one variable and its complement. A remains A, B goes to B bar, B will be deleted. So equation for this pair will be A C bar D. And if you write the total equation, whole equation for these two ones, it will be A B C bar D or A B bar C bar D. A C bar D is taken common here. What left is B or B bar. According to rules of Boolean algebra, B or B bar is equal to 1. And so, whenever one pair is formed, this SOP form is reduced to this. If one more pair is here, its equation will be A will go away because it changes form from complemented to uncomplemented. B is left, its form is same. So equation for this is B, this is C D bar. This is adjacent ones in vertical direction. We may have adjacent ones in horizontal direction also. This way a pair is formed. Here not form changed, this form get changed, so D will be deleted as it is. It will be A bar B bar C bar, equation of this pair. And therefore whenever we enter the ones in the output of table on the Carnot map, search for the pairs. Pairs, the adjacent ones, may be horizontally or vertically. The ones adjacent diagonally are not considered as pair. If I have one here, we cannot use this, it is not allowed. Diagonal adjacent ones are not allowed for forming the pair. The ones horizontally adjacent or vertically adjacent, the two ones, the two ones which are adjacent to each other either horizontally or vertically can be grouped together to form a pair. The ones diagonally adjacent are not considered for forming the pair. Why to form pair? Because of formation of pair, one variable and its complement will go away and such equation will be simplified to this form. Therefore, pairs are formed whenever possible on the Carnot map. This is known as pair and advantage of using pairs. After having known what is pair and what is advantage of making pairs on the Carnot map, let us go to the quad and what is advantage of using the quad. Quad. Quad is group of 4 ones. These 4 ones may be adjacent horizontally, these may be adjacent vertically, these may be adjacent in a square. four ones, group of four ones. How should be the group? The four ones should be adjacent to each other vertically. They may be adjacent to each other horizontally. They may be adjacent to each other in a square. This way. 1, 1, 1, 1. This will form group of four ones, or 1, 1, 1, 1. This is also group of four ones. This is known as a quad. This is also known as a quad. These are this is group of four ones adjacent horizontally. This is group of four ones adjacent vertically. So this is a quad. This is also a quad. Whenever we form a group of four ones, either horizontally or vertically, that group is known as quad. Why to form a quad? Whenever we form a quad, for a single quad, two variables and their complements will be deleted automatically, and the equation of the quad will be very simple. For example, this one is A bar, B bar, C bar, D, or this one is A bar, B, C bar, D. This one is A, B, C bar, D, or this one is A, B bar, C bar, D. This is the SOP form of equation for these four ones. But when we form a group, what will happen? Here, which will change the form. A goes to 0, A goes to 0, B goes to 0 to 1, 1 to 0. A and B both will go away. Both will be deleted. And what is equation for this quad? Equation for this quad will be simply C bar D. So this Boolean equation is simplified to this one. Very simple. It is the simplest form of this SOP form of equation because of selection of this quad. If we select this quad, what will happen? 0, this will change form, will go away. Okay, this will change form, will go away. This will change form, will go away. C and D both will go away, and equation of this will be simply, for this quad, it will be simply A, B. If we write equation for these four ones, it will be like this. Fundamental products will be different one. This is a group of four ones vertically adjacent. This is a group of four ones horizontally adjacent. If this is not the case, if we have 1, 1 here, 1, 1 here, 1, 1 here, 1, 1 here, a square is formed. Now, four ones are there which are adjacent to each other in a square, and therefore we can form a quad here. What will happen? A will go away and it changes the form, only B is left. What will happen here as we move from this cell to this cell? C is changing form, D remains same. This will be the only equation for this quad. If we write equation for this one, this one, this one, this one, it will be of this form with different fundamental product. and therefore it is necessary to form a quad. So whenever we see the ones entered on the cells of K-map, first see if you can form a quad. The 4 ones may be adjacent vertically, the 4 ones may be adjacent horizontally, the 4 ones may be adjacent in a square. First form the square, first form the quad. After that search for pair. Formation of pair will delete one variable and its complement. Formation of quad will delete 2 variables and its complement, and the equation is simplified to simplest possible form, and therefore it is necessary to form a quad and a pair. Third way, form an octet. Octet will be group of 8 ones. What is octet? Octet is group of 8 ones. Those 8 ones may be in these cells, 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 may be in these cells. They may be, these 8 ones may be adjacent to each other horizontally or vertically in rectangular form. Make group of these 8 ones. Group of these 8 ones is known as an octet, and when we form an octet, 3 variables and their complements will go away, and the SOP form will be represented only by single variable. For example, if you have one here, 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 it is group of 8 ones. So let us form a group of these 8 ones. This will change form, it will go away, only B is left. All these are changing forms when we move from one cell to other cell. So CD will go away, A and C, D and their complements will go away, A and its complement will also go away, and this octet is only represented by B, the simplest possible form. Instead of this, if you have this type of octet, A, B and their complements will go away, D will go away, and equation of this quad will be simply C bar. And therefore it is very advantageous to first search for octet, because it deletes 3 variables and their complements, and it gives simplest possible form of the Boolean equation. Then search for quad, and after that search for the pair. If you are not getting the octets, the quads and the pairs as I have explained here, other ways are also there to form octet, quad and pairs. Let us see how. Let us suppose I have 4 ones here and 4 ones here. Now here I can form one quad. Because of this, what will happen? 2 variables will go away, 2 variables and their complements will go away, 2 variables and their complements will go away. And the equation will be, all these will go away, it will be C bar D bar or C D bar. If I select this as one quad, equation will be this. That will be C bar, D bar or C, D bar. Instead of that, I have one idea. Roll the map, this map. Roll this map this way. So this will meet this end will meet this end. This is known as making an octet by rolling the map. Map is rolled. Map is rolled this way so that this end will meet this end will meet this end, and rolling of this map forms an octet instead of two quads. And what is important of forming an octet instead of two quads? All these AB and their complements will go away. Consider these two cells. D is forming, C is changing its form, C and its complement will go away. An equation of this octet obtained after rolling the map will be simply D bar. Because of rolling of the map, this equation obtained because of two quads, C bar D bar or C D bar, is simply converted to D bar because of rolling of the map. By rolling the map, we can form octet. By rolling the map, we can form quad. By rolling the map, we can form the pair. So, we have to use all these possible ways. First go for octet, then go for quad, then go for pair. If these are not formed, then see the way of rolling the map or overlapping the group. Rolling the map, I have shown here, overlapping the group. What will happen if I use the method of overlapping the group? That will also simplify the Boolean equation. Let us see how. Let us suppose here one quad is prepared, constructed, and here I have one pair. Equation of this will be A will go away, B is left here, C will go away, D is left here. Equation of this will be B, D. If I go for this, a pair is formed. When pair is formed, only one variable will go away. And what will be equation of this? B, C, D bar. More hardware is required. So, do this thing. This is known as overlapping of the group. Here, to form two quads, these two groups are overlapped on each other. Because of this, the SOP form, the Boolean expression is further simplified. This will be A will go away, B and D. First will be B, D, or second B is left, A will go away and D will go away. So it will be B, C. Very simple. So this way we can use the method of formation of octet, method of formation of quad, method of formation of pair. If these are not easily formed as explained, let us go for rolling the map. let us go for overlapping the groups. Using all these possible ways, try to simplify the Boolean expressions. When the Boolean expressions are simplified, whatever function we want to work out, whatever function we want to perform, that logical work will be performed by very small hardware. Very small circuit is needed, very few logical gates will be needed for implementation of that Boolean expression, and therefore simplification of Boolean expressions is very important. And how to simplify? Go for octet first, then try to see the quad, then try to see the pair. If these are not formed easily, then try rolling of the map, try overlapping of the group, so that the Boolean expression obtained after simplifying by the K-map will be the simplest possible, which will need very small hardware, very few number of logical gates for its implementation. You may be given an equation and asked to simplify it by using K-map, or you may be given a truth table and asked to implement the truth table after simplification by the K-map. So it can be simplified very easily, and very small hardware is needed to implement it. For example, let us consider this is the truth table given, and you are asked to implement this truth table. How to implement this? I have given just as an example a typical truth table. If you are given any truth table, you can apply the same procedure, the same principle. This one corresponding to A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, introduce here. This corresponding to A bar, B bar, C bar, D, introduce here. This is A bar, B bar, C, D bar here. Fourth one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more are left. A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B, C bar, D here. Then A bar, B, C, D bar here. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one. A bar, B, C, D here. One more left. 1, 0, 0 here. Octet is formed, and when we form group of all these 8 ones, CD and their complements will go away, B and its complement will go away, only A bar is left. So equation of this octet will be simply A bar. So this truth table is simply implemented by A bar by simply a NOT gate. So this way we can simplify any Boolean expression using the Karnaugh map. Here I have given a typical simple truth table to form the octet. In practice, it is not true. In practice, you may not have such a simple example. You may have one here, 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 and you have to search. You have to try for octet first, then for quad, then for pair, then try rolling the map, then try for overlapping the group, and by using all these possibilities try to simplify the given truth table. Given truth table is nothing but given SOP form of Boolean equation. This truth table has 16 fundamental products, and so these 16 fundamental products will be logically summed. We are going to take only that fundamental product which has 1 in the output, okay, and insert that on the Carnot map and then simplify it as I explained. So this is the way of simplifying Boolean expressions using Carnot map. So here we complete simplification of Boolean expressions using Carnot map, and from this unit only 2 articles are left, half adder and full adder, that we shall discuss tomorrow. Hope you got it. Thank you.